सलमान ने भी आपको विश किया, ऑल द बेस्ट शाहरुख का, आपके ग्रोथ के लिए, आपके काम के लिए।
और फिर तुम पूछते हो कि हम सवाल क्यों ना पूछें।
Katrina romancing Salman and Ekta Tiger are out. Just wanted to know what you think of her chemistry with Salman.
There's nothing like chemistry, but I think it looks like a wonderful pair. They've done films together before, and I wish them all the best. So you have to call a YRF who says no comment on this. It's wonderful, as I've always claimed. First of all, happy birthday, Frank. It's his birthday, yeah. Very few people know that. So, in your honor, on the 9th year of my association with Target, even if I wasn't associated, happy birthday to you.
शाहरुख अपनी इंडस्ट्री में 20 साल कंप्लीट कर लिया, आपको उसके लिए बधाई दी जा रही है। फिर उसके बाद अभी 10 साल इसके हो गए, इसके लिए भी आपको बधाई। मतलब आपको लोग विश कर रहे हैं, सलमान ने भी आपको विश किया, ऑल द बेस्ट शाहरुख का, आपके ग्रोथ के लिए, आपके काम के लिए।
और फिर तुम पूछते हो कि हम सवाल क्यों ना पूछें। अलाउ करो। साधन ही हुआ।
The first look of Katrina romancing Salman and Ekta Tiger are out. Just wanted to know what you think of her chemistry with Salman.
It's very nice. I think they've done films together. I think, in spite of what people would like to believe, I think we like all films, and whatever I see in the chemistry of, I don't know, chemistry is too deep a word. I think only media people use it. And, so I don't, and Kajal and me have always had this issue. What is chemistry? You know, it's taken me years to get over the fact that I have anything to do with bloody chemistry. And then I come back, 20 years of work, and all you keep guys asking me is chemistry. And if I was to ask you, tell me what is the normal name for CH3COOH, you wouldn't know, and so loosely use the word chemistry. So there's nothing like chemistry, but I think it looks like a wonderful pair. They've done films together before, and I wish them all the best.
You've just returned from shooting it, and when
you want to know the chemistry of our film?
Sure.
I don't know. You know, when I work on a film, I personally don't understand it, till it gets to be seen by a lot of people from the outside. When you see it, then you get the reaction. But as far as working is concerned, I think I've had a great time. We finished most of the film. I think this last 7-8 days are left, and maybe a part of the song. So it's been a pleasure, it's been an honor, it's been absolutely wonderful to work with Katrina and with Anushka. I think both of them I've been saying this again and again.
Pass on one of these excellent timepieces to your son, who mashallah is growing beautifully. He's become almost as tall as you have. Any time-related, career-related advice that you've passed on to Aryan yet?
I always say this, and in no which way deriding women. I always say this, that my father used to tell me that time is like a beautiful woman. वक्त जो होता है एक बहुत खूबसूरत औरत की तरह होता है, लेकिन उसकी चोटी जो होती है आगे होती है। So जब वो तुम्हारे सामने से गुजरे, अगर तुम उसके साथ रहना चाहते हो, तो उसके गुजरने के बाद उसको पकड़ने की कोशिश करोगे तो वो नहीं पकड़ी जाएगी। तो उसके गुजरने से पहले उसके सामने आके उससे बात करो। These are nice things one can say. One has reached a degree of success. May not work for everyone who's trying hard or working and has not yet achieved success. But because I have the luxury of passing on these words of wisdom to my son and my daughter. Hopefully, inshallah, as they go older, they learn from their own experiences and know how to handle time much better than I have. When we were doing Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi, the watch that I've worn is actually a 70-year-old watch, which they specially sourced out from an owner in their company and gave it to us, which was a watch which you could imagine his father had given. Many times when I do a film, of course, if it's like a fun film where I don't really need to work on the character that much and does not have to be realistic, I've just worn any watch which I like to wear. And now, even the new one that I'm doing with YesG, there is a sequence in the film for which specifically for the last 6 months they're sourcing a watch. Most of them, even for My Name is Khan, they got us an original watch, which we actually had a scene where he talks about maybe his father has left the watch for him and was the first watch bought. So we've never really gone, for Don and all, I think he can afford any kind of watch. But most of the times, and I do very urban films. I've never played really a very poverty-stricken guy, so I think tag watches are quite affordable. They start from 18,000 rupees and go up to 80,000 rupees, and on discounts, which we don't give on Diwalis, you can get it even cheaper.